Hi everyone, welcome to See and Learn. Today we will see how to download and install CodeBlocks. We are going to install CodeBlocks in Windows. CodeBlocks provides integrated development environment to write the programs of C, C++, Java and Fortran. So first of all, open any browser, open Google and type download CodeBlocks for Windows. Now you can see many options. Click on this first link. So you get the options for Windows, Linux and Mac operating systems. We are going to download for Windows operating systems. So in Windows you can see again some options. So among these options you have to select this one, CodeBlocks 17.12 min.gw setup exe, as this exe gives us the compiler. So click on this sourceforge.net. Now we will go on this site and we can get the file. So this file is there and click on this save file. I have already downloaded this file, so I will not save this again. We will open the file. This file is already saved. So I will open the file. I will click on the run. I will click on the next, accept license, click on next. It will show you the destination folder. If you want to change its destination, you can change from this. I will keep the same. Click on install. So click on yes, click on next, click on finish. Now it will show the new window, CodeBlocks. This is open source. It provides the IDE to write the C, C++ Java programs. So you can see the window like this. In this environment you can see number of options: file, edit, view, search, group, project, build, debug. Now we will see how to open the new file. So we will click on this file menu, new, and on file. Then you can see here C++, 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 B, empty file, Fortran and Java source. You can click on C++ empty file. Then go, click on next. Now you have to show the path where you want to save. So click on these three dots. Click on suppose program files, CodeBlocks, and you can save your files here also. So first suppose file name is first.c. Click on save. Then click on finish. This file is opened with first.c. So here you can write the program. How to write the program, how to debug it and how to build the program, we will see in the next lecture. So that's it for today. Hope you would find this video informative. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Click the bell icon for more updates. See you soon in the next video. Until then, stay tuned, stay blessed.